Hi y'all! Chamorro food intermittent fasting is where we include Guam food and alternate between short periods of eating and long periods of not eating. When we eat, we store energy from our food. When we don't eat, we use energy. Today we're having bananas in coconut milk or gollai appan with onions and peppers and delicious smoked andouille sausage from Reverence Farm in Graham, North Carolina. These gorgeous eggs are also from Reverence Farm. You guys gotta check them out online. Make this sausage a little bit doneness. My husband and I eat one meal a day sometimes. Other times we eat between lunch and 4 p.m. Occasionally we'll eat from lunch till 8 at night. Gollai appan makes this all delicious. The recipe for gollai appan is linked below and at the end of this video. Avocados help fill us up, especially when we eat one meal a day. A lime makes it quite flavorful, and I love dark chocolate with macadamia nuts for dessert. I hope you found this useful. Check out my other videos linked at the end and below.